I feel that everyday opportunities are everywhere for children to almost unknowingly connect with mathematical skills. Nature offers so many opportunities, counting petals, seeds, leaves, rocks. It's endless and enjoyable for the children, not only mathematical skills, but connecting to their natural world. Using nature as a medium, we use our daily nature time to bring mathematics and nature together. Through small but consistent daily engagement, our preschoolers look at mathematical concepts that are present within their natural environment. Using what nature gifted us, we go on learning from counting to patterns to ratio and more. The beauty of using nature is its beauty, and more importantly, the connection that children can naturally form, which in turn lays important foundations for future numeracy and mathematical learning. In this experience, our children were encouraged to observe the wonders of nature through sunflowers. Following on from our spring seed planting activity the week before, we had a group time about sunflowers. Our children showed interest in the patterns of the centre of the sunflowers using a magnifying glass to have a closer look. We read about the life cycle of the sunflower and their seeds. Through this activity, our children gain knowledge about life cycles and the biological importance of seeds. They are also discovering patterns in nature, which resulted in numeracy concepts such as patterns, symmetry, meaningful counting using mathematical wordings for quantity as such. How many petals? More and less.